I did painted these places. What I did sandblasted and cleaned with metal brush. They are now epoxy primered, then polyurethane painted, and now I start spraying stone protection.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Like you saw, some work is done again. Now the car is in the second room again and already cleaned, prepared it little bit for primer. Need to take some tape and close some holes, and then we should start with primer. Like always, not enough time to work with own cars, so all needs to be done in night hours. Yeah, so but hopefully this weekend we can finish the engine bay painting, because it's like pain in the ass, I would say. Yeah, it's the one big job, and then it's done. We can start assembling the car. I have waited it a long time, so yeah. So let's hope that all goes like planned, and let's start working again. it's almost 1 o'clock in night, and engine bay is painted with primer. Result is quite good, I think, because I don't see any places where paint did go running. So yeah, it's good, I think, because I'm not a painter. I have painted some cars before, Ladas, for fun. I painted, but nothing professional. So this is the best result I have ever made, I think. Now it can try 36 hours. I really did enjoy this painting work. After a lot preparation works, 2 weeks, almost every night, some small work has been done, and now to see it primered, it's really good, I think. Engine bay is painted now. Result is a lot better than I expected, because in home workshop painted it's a little bit painful. But one pro tip is that you can use water on the floor. It takes all the paint dust in it and it don't start flying. That's one tip you can do. And yeah. Last time I painted 10 years ago one rally car, and these axle paintings, they are easy because nobody don't see. There you don't need so good result. So yeah, I'm really happy how it came out. The color is also nice. Why this color? Because in future I will paint the car titanium grey. Then the engine bay will match. Some of you have written to me that why I don't take it to painter, body worker, and they make it, and I can start assembling. That's because I want to learn as much as possible myself, and I want to fabricate and paint and do all the things myself. Then I can learn something new, and it's useful. It's good to learn on your car. When you make something to client and you learn there, then it can pay a lot money for you. But yeah, really nice. I think VR6 fits a lot better in this engine bay now. Yeah. So say what you think about this video, what you think about the painting preparation, all that. And yeah, finally we can start assembling the car, wash all the things and install. It's interesting times coming. And yeah, so like always, like, comment what you think, share this video to your friends so they can see also this VR6 build, and subscribe. I know there is 73% of you who looks my videos but have not subscribed, so yeah, click that button. And see you in the next video. Bye!